Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you quickly and easily how you can get Glowbugs in Scrap Mechanic. This is going to be especially useful to craft some glows or produce them from some cardboard. So to begin, we will need to locate a lake or an ocean, and now let's go ahead and go inside of it. Here, what you'll need to look for are some deeper sections of this water. So just swim to the middle of the ocean or a lake, and here you usually find these deeper sections, these craters or caves, and most usually inside of here you'll find the glowbugs. And as you can see, I found one already right here. So just pick it up, and now you'll need to carry it all the way to your base. Also, a tip to keep the bugs from despawning, you'll just want to pick them up occasionally, because after 12 hours in real life time, they're going to despawn. And you can go around this by picking them up and placing them down after a while. This is going to reset the time, and now you can use these glow plugs however you want. Just place them down on your car, drive them to your base, and feed them some cardboard. They are going to produce the glow from it. So this is pretty much all. How to get Glowbugs. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.